Today, we are tackling one of the most fundamental concepts in chemistry, the mole and Avogadro's number. Let's make it simple. Just like the word dozen means exactly 12 things, or a pair means 2, in chemistry, a mole is simply a counting unit. Because atoms and molecules are incredibly tiny, a single mole represents a massive number of them. That counting number is called Avogadro's number, denoted as Na. It equals 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd power. To put this in perspective, if you had a mole of marbles, they would cover the entire planet Earth several miles deep. Even though a mole always contains the exact same number of particles, different substances have different masses. For example, 12 grams of carbon contains 1 mole of carbon atoms, while 18 grams of water contains 1 mole of water molecules. But wait, what if we are dealing with gases? For any ideal gas at standard temperature and pressure, also known as STP, 1 mole will always occupy a volume of exactly 22.414 liters, regardless of the gas type. To convert between mass, moles, and particles, we rely on two easy formulas. Moles equals given mass divided by the molar mass. To find the total particle count, just multiply your moles by Avogadro's number. Let's put this into practice. If you are given 36.04 grams of water, how many moles is that? Well, water's molar mass is 18.02 grams per mole. Divide 36.04 by 18.02, and you get exactly 2 moles. Now, how many actual water molecules are inside those 2 moles? We simply multiply our 2 moles by Avogadro's number. The result: a staggering 1.204 times 10 to the 24th molecules. Awesome job making it to the end. To quickly recap, a mole is just a massive counting unit equal to Avogadro's number, and molar mass is the bridge between the grams we can weigh, and the atoms we can't see. Keep practicing those conversions. That wraps up our lesson on stoichiometry and the mole. If you found this interactive video helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to Prep N5, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future lesson. Happy studying, and I will see you next time.